What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk to you guys about the trade that I took on Friday, and I also took a trade on Monday, which I'll just get over real quick. Just quickly go to the 15 minute. I don't want to be spending too much time on this trade. I'll just show you guys what the trade was really of. Quickly just scroll over. Yep. So basically, like I told you guys on one of my previous videos, I took a massive L on the Friday before, the NFP Friday. My bias was really bearish that day, and it just didn't work out, to be honest. I guess market wanted to hunt more and more buy sided, even though there was no. We just wanted to go further and further up into all time highs and take out all the shorts that were placed that day on the markets. So basically, the trade that I caught on Monday it was just this short here. I managed to get in. I managed to get in just at that 10 a.m. and I didn't hold all the way until NFP because I couldn't make over 3K. That's just the limit on top step accounts. So I managed to catch roughly like a 105-point move, which made all the loss back on Friday, as well as an extra $100. So after that, I was up roughly 4.4K on the account, and I ended up taking an L the next day for 400 and put me at 4K after. But that's old news. I want to talk to you guys about the trade that I took on Friday, which ended up passing my account. So here we are, boys. We're officially funded traders now. Back to it again. So let's get into Friday. Friday we had no news, no nothing. The day before was a pretty bad day because of PPI and all that stuff. So I didn't even manage to get any sort of trade in that day. But it's alright. We got a nice trade in. On the daily candle, like I was bearish on the daily candle, but we don't talk about close, right? We don't care where the candle closes. We want to know what our bias is for that current time frame. Going into the 4 hour, we had this external SMT, ES counts, our NQ came out and took all-time highs and still displaced above it. After I saw this, I was looking like, are we going to just keep pushing higher, or what's really going to happen? So again, just waited and waited. While ES was really, really weak, ES did not take any all-time highs that day. It was just so weak. While NQ at this move here, it went up all up and took out all this buy side, while ES still stayed low, giving us a massive higher time frame SMT. And then as well as we also had this hourly SMT, which I just wrote as internal because it is internal, is out of this external model, and now we have an internal model SMT. And yeah, I'm still bearish. I'm just waiting for that market structure to properly show us where it wants to go. And I just thought that all this move during it was all manipulation. Like we had this accumulation move here, and now with this move, it's basically just stopped out all the shorts in the market. There's no shorts left to really stop out after it did this, and we pushed nearly 110 points in the first 15 minutes of the market, which is insane. And I just thought the whole thing was just the manipulation move to take out as much buy side as we could, and that's what it really did. Yeah, I got my entry at 10 a.m. That's what I was hoping for the reversal to happen. I was really keen on finding that 10 a.m. reversal today. Oh, sorry, on Friday. I'm recording this video a little bit late. I've just been busy. I didn't have time to, so I'm making it tonight. So it's really simple. I saw all this structure shifts. It didn't really take out any sell side on this move down. I was like, let me just wait to see what type of retracement we get. And as soon as it's made this internal SMT, I was like, yeah, we're going so much lower. And I waited for I was gonna get my entry here originally, but it didn't give me any sort of tap in. I was like, okay, let's wait for the next fair value gap that it presents. It did that. I had my order actually set a little bit higher, so it kind of just tapped me in perfectly. Basically, I had mine at 845, and it just taps me in. After that, no drawdown, no fucking drawdown at all. It went straight down. The original levels that I wanted to get out would have been at this, but I just still knew that would have went lower to fill in this gap here, which was just this one. So we had this massive gap, which I wanted price to see if I wanted to come into. I wasn't gonna hold all the way because I only needed, after this run, I only needed extra roughly 25 points to pass the account. So I just had my buy order placed here, hits it, and we were all done, dusted, and yeah. I'll show you guys the funded. So here is the funded. Currently at 0. I haven't took any trade to full because it's passed it on Friday, and now here we are on Sunday night. But to be honest with you guys, I don't think I'm going to be really trading going into the next week or so. Like next week, I'll probably just trade like Monday and Tuesday, see how that days end up, because I'm not really big fan on trading December month, but yeah, I still got a couple trades in this month regardless. But now we're going into the last week of trading, and I don't want to fuck around and find out on my fundage. So I'll probably just take next week off, and then the week after that is already off week because of Christmas and stuff. And then usually I don't like trading that first week of New Year's as well, because you have New Year's like midweek after Christmas, so you want to just take the whole week off as well and come back on the 5th of January and start your trading then. So I'll probably be just enjoying some time off, but I'll still look at the charts during next week and the week after to see what's price doing and stuff. But I won't be trading, of course. I don't want to go into next year with a big L on the funded account. I'll just fuck with my psychology and stuff. But that's really it for today, guys. I've called this banger. I was down Friday nearly 2.2k. Made that back on Monday, and today on Friday we passed the account. So it's looking good for next year, and I hope we can get our payout in January. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Have a good Christmas and a good New Year's if I don't get another video out by then.